Welcome to Go Gear Mods.
So,
10th episode.
yes.
And today we are going to be talking about
The exhaust.
on my Acura RSX.
Which was terrible.
It was
a terrible job.
It was probably welded on from, we thought from a minivan at first.
Yeah.
But it turns out it was probably just some custom galvanized steel that they just kind of had.
Yeah, they kind of hacked together, so yeah, it wasn't pretty. About the video that the exhaust video itself is kind of old, so you gotta see. You're gonna see how well we've done so far compared to what we've done before, and I mean, little constructive criticism would be great.
Criticism?
Constructive
Criticism.
That's awesome.
Anyways.
That's a new word.
Yes.
It's a new word.
Anyways, yeah, we're going to show you guys how we did that modification. There's tons of rust under there, but if you want to skip through part of the video and just watch the part where we actually install the exhaust, instead of just getting it ready to install, you can go ahead and do that. Also, what's coming up for this winter time, if it's really cold up here in Minnesota, we're not going to do a whole lot of DIY.
Dude, it's not cold.
It's freezing up here.
He's a pansy.
Okay.
He has to wear gloves while he's working on a car.
You guys come up here and work on a car 10 below. And tell me
Easy.
about it. Yeah.
Easy.
Okay, for you.
Yeah, no. Yeah, it is kind of cold.
Other people look at you like you're crazy.
No, that is
Everybody
cool.
out in California is like, what?
Right.
So, anyway, we're going to be showing some more shots of previous interviews that we did.
Yep.
And some other DIY here and there. And if the weather cooperates, we'll go ahead and
if it's warm
do some
enough, we'll be able to do some DIY.
So, yeah, enjoy this episode, and we hope to talk to you guys soon.
That's alright.
Better.
Gooder.
They welded the exhaust to the catalytic converter, and that's not going to cut it for us, so we're going to cut it off. And you can see here they just use galvanized piping. Yeah, this is just terrible. So we're going to replace all that today.
Set gaskets, bolts, and accessories that come with your stuff. Make sure not to lose that like that, because that would suck. So what you're gonna need: 10 millimeter. The hands though. 12 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and 12 millimeter sockets. We just have a 3/8 drive, not a 3/8. Yeah, 3/8 works. But these guys, pretty much all the tools you're gonna need. Pretty easy. Jack and jack stands. Get it in the air. Don't need to take off the wheels. Fortunately, it's gonna be easy, except when you gotta bust off all the rust from how many years your car is old, and all the rust from being in the salty, snowy weather of Minnesota. Yeah, WD-40 or good old liquid wrench. So this will make your life a lot easier if you have something like this, or if you got a torch, even better. You can heat up the nut, just break it off real quick, and you'll be done. So let's get cracking. Sound good?
Pause. So because the exhaust is all welded, we had to cut it off with a reciprocating saw. If need be, don't be afraid to just cut out the junk. By the way, this is very dangerous, and we recommend you consult a professional before attempting to do any work like this.
Burning metal and all.
Whoa!
Okie doke.
There it goes.
That trash stove.
There she goes.
Look at this stupid mess. Speechless.
bolts that are for the Cat are pressed on the flange. Drill out the pressed bolt so you can use the holes in the flange later. Now, for the part that most of you will have to do, find your gasket and bolt and start putting things together. Exhaust systems are different from one car to another, and this is based on the year, make, and model of your car. Another factor is the brand of the exhaust that you purchase. Please follow the instructions that may be included with your exhaust for specific details. The hardware included has gaskets to fit between each part along with bolts and nuts. We had to buy a new hanger for our install, so replace them as necessary. Use the original hangers that hung your old exhaust for the new one. Connect your resonator pipe on the Cat.
Make it easier. Slide through.
That won't break easy.
It's a trap!
Get out of here. Really? That's annoying. This dude.